Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how I cook spaghetti egg stir fry. Easiest and cheapest way to make delicious spaghetti stir fry, that is pasta, exactly what you see on the screen. So let's dive into it. So to make this delicious stir fry, first we have to parboil our spaghetti. So I put a cup of water on fire, bring it to a boil, then cut my spaghetti into the desirable shape that I want, then add it to the water, and then also add some macaroni to it. If you like to eat it together, then do the same thing. So the next thing I do is to add some vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, so it won't be sticky when it boils. So I'll cover this to cook on a medium flame for 15 good minutes. So next I place my pan on fire. When it gets hot, I add 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm using what we call in Nigeria kuni oil. It's very healthy. Then when it gets hot, I add my chopped onions, freshly chopped onions, some freshly chopped garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper. I'll stir this together for a minute to loosen that hardness of, that spicy taste, spicy flavor of scotch bonnet pepper and garlic. So I'll stir fry this for a minute. Hello everyone, you're highly welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. So next I add half tablespoon of curry powder to taste, and next I'll add half tablespoon of thyme to taste, and next I will add half tablespoon of ginger powder. Then stir to combine. Stir this for 30 seconds to combine, and next I will add my freshly chopped tomatoes and continue to stir to combine. Hello everyone, you are highly welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome, and if you are returning, you're highly welcome. Please do stay connected. More of these videos are updated every week on this channel. So next I add my green peas and continue to stir to combine everyone. Then I add 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. Then next I add my carrots and green beans. I added this now because it's coming out from the fridge, so it's not that crunchy anymore. So I add and stir everything for 2 minutes to combine, so that it will be very tasty. If all the ingredients for this video will be at the description box down below, and if you like to see more of this often, please do subscribe to my channel, thumbs up for me, comments, and share my video to your friends and families, everyone. Alright, so let's continue cooking. Don't go away, watch to the end and see how this yummy recipe turns out. Everyone is very delicious and very cheap and very easy to make spaghetti egg stir fry. It's very easy and very cheap, everyone. So continue watching, watch to the end and see how it comes out delicious and healthy. So if you watch halfway, you will not really get it. So at this point our spaghetti is ready. I will transfer this into a sieve to drain out the water. So I'll transfer this, as you see, into my sieve, and then I'll set it aside. It's ready to be poured into the stir-fried vegetable stir-fried already. So after I transfer this into the stir fries, the vegetables and all other seasoning, I'll stir to combine. Stir till everything blends together. Everyone, don't go away. Remember, we've not yet added the egg. The egg is not yet in, so watch and see how and when the egg is added, and see how it comes out, everyone. Okay, so here is when I'm adding the eggs. I'm using 3 eggs. You could use small, you could use small, depending on the quantity of spaghetti you are making. So I'll add my eggs and allow it to go around, and then cover it on a low heat for 5 minutes. Keep watching and see what happens after 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you can see that our spaghetti egg stir fry has already swollen up because of the eggs. So next, I'll take my desirable stick and begin to stir to mix the eggs, the spaghetti, everything together. Please do try this and give me your feedback at the comment section down below. Believe me, this is very yummy, very healthy, and cheapest, easiest way to make your spaghetti and equally enjoy it, everyone. So you can see what it's coming out to be like on the screen. Is very yummy. I myself couldn't believe it, so I said let me share the video with you so that you can see another way you could make your spaghetti without stress, without much expenses. Very cheap. You don't need chicken. you don't need chicken, you don't need beef. This is very easy and it's delicious spaghetti egg stir fry, everyone. Yeah, I can't wait to have this already. Hello everyone, if you watch my video up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and all the ingredients is at the description box, as I said earlier. Alright, so this is what our spaghetti egg stir fry looks like. It's very delicious, everyone. Thanks for watching, thanks for dropping by. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now.